Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai presenting to you the Salesian news across the globe. From 18 to 23rd August, leaders at the Salesian Oratory in Gatchina went to the countryside to the house for the 8th traditional annual meeting. 12 leaders and Father Andrej Purupchin, SDB, participated. During the 6 days, the leaders carried out cultural activities, especially in the field of art and philosophy, and reflected on St. Francis de Sales' introduction to the devout life. Quizzes, workshops, team games, and much more were then held to increase the sense of unity among the leaders. During the first and last evening, there were also special moments of sharing with songs around the fire and shared meals. On Saturday, 24th August, 165 leaders from the oratories and youth centers of the St. Louis Bernard Salesian province of Medellin, Colombia, met for a formation opportunity whose objective was to strengthen the educative and pastoral proposal based on the needs of children, young people and their families, starting from the guidelines presented within the Provincial Oratory Program. This meeting, led by the Provincial Oratory Commission, the SYM Animation Team and the Provincial Council, was held at the zonal level in the following locations: the Don Bosco Social Center in Barranquilla, North Zone, the Santa Domingo Xavier School in La Ceja, and the Don Bosco Formation Center in Cali. Salesian Father Oscar Lozano, General Coordinator of the Salesian Institutions of Higher Education, made a significant visit to the Salesian House of Higher Education in Bahia Blanca, Argentina, made up of communities of the John 23rd Higher Institute and the Salesian University. Coming from Rome, Father Lozano immersed himself first in the 65 years of history of the John 23rd Higher Institute, recognizing its high legacy, and then in the development of the Salesian University, which celebrates its first 10 years of life and consolidated growth. Don Bosco Ngozi High School in Burundi is working to complete a sanitation project thanks to funding from the Salesian Mission's Clean Water Initiative. Salesian Missions in the U.S. development arm of Salesians of Don Bosco. The school has 1,248 students but has not been able to keep up with modernizing and increasing the number of toilets, even though the number of students has increased each year. The Clean Hygienic Facilities for a Big Smile project will install water facilities, wastewater channels and other necessary amenities to ensure that the facilities are clean, safe and hygienic. Work is halfway completed as of the end of July 2024. Don Bosco Parish in Nandan Nagar marked a significant occasion with the dedication of its new Marian Grotto on the Feast of the Assumption. At 6 p.m., parishioners gathered for a simple yet profound ceremony in front of the newly blessed grotto. The event began with Reverend Father Christopher Mary Walarpi, the rector and parish priest, providing a brief introduction and welcome. The dedication prayer was led by Reverend Father K.J. Abraham, CSC, Provincial of the Holy Cross, Northeast India. Following the dedication, the congregation prayed the Holy Rosary before celebrating the Holy Eucharist, with Reverend Father K.J. Abraham as the main celebrant. Approximately 200 attendees participated in the event, which concluded with the distribution of snacks. A plaque inscribed, "This grotto is dedicated to the people of Tripura. Thanks to our benefactors," who was placed beside the grotto. So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.